Choosing the best affiliate program can be a problem for many YouTube affiliates just starting out. You need to understand what the various commission structures are and the various network cookies duration allowed. In this video, I'm going to walk you through some top affiliate network programs for beginners, and we are starting right now. Hi, I'm Winston the Solopreneur Warrior, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through some top affiliate network programs for beginners, how to easily join the networks, their commission structures, and cookies duration. But before we get into all that, I would like to know in the comments area below this video, which other affiliate networks apart from those I will mention in this video are you a member of? Now, if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in making monies with the videos you upload on YouTube, you might want to consider checking my crash course on how to do YouTube affiliate marketing the right way. And don't also forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. There are thousands of online affiliate programs, and sometimes it can be hard to decide which one to choose from, especially if you're just starting out. To get started, it's important to understand the difference between affiliate programs offered through affiliate networks and those offered directly from the product brands themselves. Affiliate networks will host hundreds or thousands of advertisers or product brands that you can choose any of them to promote. If you choose to promote products for an affiliate network, you will be dealing directly with that network. For example, your affiliate link, stats, and payment will not come from the advertiser or brand. Instead, the network will take care of all that. Some advertisers or brands also have private affiliate programs. If you're interested in marketing a specific brand or product, simply head over to the website, and if they have an affiliate program, you usually find a link to an application form in the website footer. Sometimes some brands put it at the top of their web page, but most often you'll find it at the footer. Some private brands also choose not to make their affiliate programs public. So if you really want to work with an advertiser or a brand to promote their product, simply send them an email and ask them to do for you. As an affiliate marketer, it's also best to promote offers directly from the company or brand affiliate programs because the companies don't pay any extra advertisement fee for their products on an affiliate network. The only problem you get trying to promote products from private affiliate program is being accepted as an affiliate in the program. Affiliate networks, on the other hand, is the easiest to be accepted as a beginner to start promoting a product. Let's now look at some affiliate network programs, their commission structures, and cookie durations. These are all important factors to consider when choosing the best affiliate program. But why is cookies duration important? Cookies are used by affiliate networks to track affiliate referrals, and each cookie has an expiring date. In essence, the shorter the cookies duration, the less time an affiliate has to close a sale. If the cookies duration is longer, it allows the referrals to do some research and come back in a later stage to make a purchase. That means if someone clicks on your affiliate link and doesn't buy the product immediately, if the cookies duration lasts for a month, for example, you still have an opportunity within that month to make money from the referral. That is, if that same person decides at any time within that month to make that purchase. When the person you referred return to that product or store using any other affiliate link within the cookies duration and purchase a product, you get a commission. But if they return outside the cookies duration, you won't get any commission. Here is a couple of affiliate network programs I've put together for you to get started with. There is the Amazon Associate Program, which is one of the most popular online affiliate programs for beginners. Why? Well, simply because they have a huge range of stocks that can serve most affiliate niches. That means regardless of whatever your niche is, you will probably find something to promote on Amazon. Another great thing about becoming an affiliate on Amazon is that you can make money from any sale, not just the specific products that you are promoting. For example, let's just say you are promoting a microphone and someone clicks on your affiliate link and head over to Amazon but changes his or her mind to buy a TV set. You will still get commissions for that TV set. It's free to join the Amazon affiliate program, but you should take note that the commissions for starting out on Amazon is very low. I think it's just 10% commission. Amazon has a cost per sale structure, which means that you can only get a commission if someone buys a product and their cookies last for about 24 hours. The only problem most affiliates starting out face with Amazon affiliate program is getting accepted into the program, which is why I've also created a video on how to get approved on Amazon affiliate program. You might want to check that out if you're interested. The next affiliate network is the AliExpress affiliate program. Similar to Amazon, AliExpress is a great platform because of its wide range of stocks and millions of products listed. Majority of the stocks come from China, so you will find it often undercuts Amazon for many items. They have a high commission rate up to 50% as compared to Amazon's 10%. The AliExpress affiliate program also has an easy application program, which makes the affiliate program hard to miss for some YouTube affiliates. Just like Amazon, they have a cost per sale structure and a 3-day cookies duration as compared to Amazon's 2 days duration. Check out the link below this video to get started with the AliExpress affiliate program if you're interested. The next is the ClickBank affiliate network. ClickBank has been in the game for a long time and is seen by many as one of the best affiliate network programs for beginners. That's simply because most of the top or heavy lifters in the affiliate game do not promote affiliate program on ClickBank, which open up the opportunities for beginners to compete with each other. Almost anyone can easily join the ClickBank network except the people in the ClickBank's blacklisted countries. I also have a video on this channel on how to bypass the blacklisted countries, so make sure to check it out if you're interested. The ClickBank network commission ranges from 50 up to 75% with cookies duration of up to 60 days. That means you have up to 2 months cookies duration as compared to Amazon's 2 days cookies duration. The last but not the least top affiliate network I would like to share with you in this video is the Commission Junction network. Commission Junction's affiliate program is one of the largest, most established affiliate networks in the market. Working with advertisers like GoPro and Priceline means you have a broad range of big brands to work with. Also, their support team is hands down one of the best for helping affiliate marketers grow their commission. Commission Junction is also a free program to join, but when it comes to commission percentage, it varies with each merchant you're promoting. Now, although their cookies duration is between 1 to 120 days, you have to still check the product brand's offer because it varies with some brands. My hope in this video is that you get started with some of the recognized and most reputable affiliate programs out there. After working with these few affiliate programs and gaining some experience, you can start going for the more higher paying affiliate programs. Again, if you're interested in making money with the videos you upload on YouTube, make sure to check out the crash course on how to do affiliate marketing on YouTube the right way. You will also find all the links mentioned in this video in the description box below this video. And with all that, I'll wrap up this video. Hope it was helpful. If so, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.